In part 1, I covered the basics of metallics. Here on part 2, I'll be adding extra layers for more depth and contrast, so why not join me and see how exciting metallics can be? Hi, I'm JoanieB, inviting you to relax, play and make beautiful Gelli print art with me. Well, I've decided to go with the bronze first. And I think that I will go with, I'm going to go with this one, which is iridescent blue-green, still going for metallic. And if all else fails, we know that these two colours go nicely together in a subtle way if I put the bronze down and the gold on top. So if all else fails, at least we all know that works. This is my roll off, so let's have a trial and see whether or not this goes on top of this in a friendly manner. Oh, not so hideous. Yeah, it's gone really blue. Let's go for this magenta. Oh, that's lovely. You can still see a bit of the green there that's peeping through. Let's just get rid of the surplus that's on there. I think I'll just put this onto a different piece of paper. Well, that's rather wonderful. Lovely, I like that. I'm going to go with this again. And I'll put this onto this bronze. And so there's the ghost print now on the gold. This is just the roll-off paper. So that is looking very nice as well. So what I'm going to do now is, let's try this turquoise again. And I'll use it on the gold. That's very nice as well. Let's just get rid of this that's underneath. Again, that's quite subtle. There's lots of layers in that one. I will come back with that. Put some more turquoise on. So that was a ghost print on top of a ghost print. Got to put it on top of this one. So there, this is again, because this is transparent. You're able to see all the different layers underneath it. Interesting. And let's That's funny that you can see where the turquoise green is, but where it goes over the magenta there, it turns into a blue. I've pushed the metallics a step further in this video, and you can always return to part 1 to revisit the basics and then join me in part 3. for simple tweaks that really finish your favourite prints. So I hope you'll join me there.